Adidas is the jersey sponsor of the Turkish national basketball team and team captain NBA player Hido Turkoğlu. Target: before the upcoming FIBA 2010 World Basketball Championship in Turkey, make everybody be a part of the jersey. The solution: an electronic device which transmit your voice to the jersey. And we came up with a campaign, "This jersey is ours." How it works: to establish a realistic and emotional connection with the jersey, we set up a mechanism which amplifies the cheers and transmits the sound vibrations to the jersey. We made a promo site, thisjerseyisours.com, and provide users to record their support by their webcams. We installed the mechanism into the Adidas Performance Center in Beyoğlu, where we could get nearly 24 hours human traffic. Complete process worked as follows. User registers his video message by his webcam. As the video is approved, the user receives an email saying, "Your video is approved," and will be transmitted to the jersey exactly at 14:05. User either visits the website at that specific time and watch that moment live from the cameras placed in near the jersey, or misses the live broadcast, but no need to worry. He receives a link of a video under the video site and sees a combination of recorded videos consisting of a message from Hido, his webcam recording, and the moment his voice is transmitted to the jersey. And his support becomes immortal. To spread this campaign, besides viral videos and seeding operations, we plan to take advantage of the participants. We designed an award system based on the popularity of user videos. Jersey and basketball balls are promised to be given to the most popular videos. Thus, the participants share their videos not only for fun, but to win a national team jersey. As they started sharing videos, thousands of them began to fly in Facebook and other networks. The result: in 1 month, more than 1,000 videos have been registered. More than 100,000 people watched these videos, starting with 5 seconds introductory Adidas commercial. Nearly 70,000 Facebook users liked and followed the Facebook page. Having the advantage of Facebook sharing infrastructure, the page reached more than 1 million Facebook users. The jersey was handed to Hido before the first game of the championship. The campaign took place in hundreds of websites, blogs, and press media, and obtained hundreds of thousands of dollars worth media coverage. Turkish national basketball team played with USA in the final game and won the silver medal, the greatest achievement in Turkish basketball history. Today, thisjerseyisours.com performs as a monument website. Thousands of videos are displayed over and over. Every day, the website attracts new visitors. By the way, only $100,000 was spent for the entire campaign, including the spendings for media and prizes.
Bu forma kırmızı, bu forma beyaz. Bu forma bizim.